Hi everyone, this is Kelly from Liang Hang TV. According to the latest information that we have received, a very strange thing is happening at Jalan Johor Baru. Someone is reported obstructing the highway, and now Kelly is here on the spot to bring you all to see what is going on here. Hey uncle, what happened to you? You kena your boss fire
No, I'm very kasihan. Nobody understand me. No one help me. My windscreen blocking the highway. Why?
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are the one in this kind of situation, what are you going to do?
Your choices. Prime. Call Baby. Ask Google. Call Liang Hang.
Enough lah, don't cry 了啦。
Change windscreen, find Liang Hang.